Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to outline text in Illustrator. So let's have a look now. Click on the selection tool and select the text. Now click on fill and choose the color for your text. Then click on a stroke. Select the color and increase the width by clicking here. So that's how you can outline text with Illustrator. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.